Okay, yeah, let's start. Restart this. My diary, you know, kind of thing. I have been here for 2 days now. And I have to say that it's very easy to be unproductive here. Like you just don't want to do anything, and it's like the time clock, like the clock just clock at 1 p.m. and you start to feel tired and sleepy and sloppy, so you was like, can I take a nap? And then you take a nap and boom, it's 3 p.m. So it's not an office time. That's why I don't work here. I raised leave. My boss asked, "Are you okay?" Is it no problem? I was like, I'm unwell. But like, it's not unwell in a very negative way, just unwell. Like, my plan would be, I try to plan my future, why I'm here, like, some kind of basic things about what I should add, what I should prepare, what's the roadmap for it, or how the tests are conducted, like when will it be conducted, when should I take the task, what is like everything. And I should email the school to send my diploma to my friend's house and everything. Just I need to do that, because if I don't, then it's gonna be terrible. Yeah, this is the plan. Update. Yeah, my boss asked me about what's my career path. I was like, I don't know, but for sure, I don't know what I want to do until now. Yeah, you can't understand the shit, right? Anyway, I read the book called Đúng Vị Ập Dễ Từ Chung. I think that was a very cool book in many ways. My English just sucks. So sorry. Anyways, that book just this book just talk about how. Anyway, let's give this a mukbang video. I just want to eat. I'm just too hungry. But that book talk about how you should be a person. You should have consensus. Is that so? Consensusness. Consciousness. You have your heart and soul. Both are, righteous before you choose a job. Okay. I think this book says, like, choose to be the person you want to be before you choose how to do that. Essentially, what I want to be, how I want to benefit the society, or I just want to be myself and live my own life. Choose the life path we want to go through before choose the career path. I think that's what the book said. I know it should be, you choose your life, you choose how to be a person, and you choose your job, and then you choose how to be a good citizen. I'm not a good citizen, but I question a lot about how I should feel. Turns out I don't want to work in e-commerce. My hair is stupid. E-commerce or anything alike, because it just stimulate consumerism. I don't like consumerism. anything else. Yeah. Just it. Like, I don't like consumerism. I don't want to be a part of it. But seems like that where they need DA the most. Oh, I should do economics, you know. If I do economics and I do the PhD, then I will live my life to the fullest in many ways. Because I can do what I want to do, and that is absolutely aligns with I would love to become. I think it's just perfect, except for the fact that it would not give me a lot of money. But that's what the book said. Like, if you are fulfilled with your life purpose, with if you have a purpose of your life and your purpose is fulfilled via your job, then even though your job may pay not a lot of wholesome, not even though your job may not pay you a wholesome amount. Is that a sentence? I will search for the word. Anyway, you still feel good. I adopted, but like I need money to go traveling. I don't like wealth accumulation, but I think it's important. You cannot be a old poor single woman. Like, old single woman can work if you are rich, according to Cher something. This famous singer who said that who when people ask her, her mom asked her, why you still be single, find yourself a rich husband, and she was like, no, I'm rich. So you need to have wealth accumulation. You can't have it with a lot of research papers. Like, it's just, we both know that doing research and being a researcher and follow academia path is just so poor. Our rich people are just too outstanding, like too outstanding. I'm not that outstanding. Okay, that's the end. Holiday. Just a mukbang video. My t-shirt match this one. Is it cute? I will update you more information as I finish my breakfast. Tomorrow maybe? Bye.